Thank you for joining me today. This is Marta Layton with Sunday Morning Kitchen and Bath, and I am here in Highland Village to present a few features of this kitchen that cannot be seen with a naked eye. First and foremost, I actually wanted to start with a panel-ready appliance. This is a 42-inch Dacor unit. The coolest thing about it is actually whiskey eyes. If you look directly into this drawer, you can see that this freezer makes two different types of eyes. Regular and craft ice, also called whiskey ice sometimes. Other cool feature is the Appliance Garage. Those are pocket doors. They can close completely out of the way. With the electrical inside, my homeowners can use spaces like this to tuck their appliances completely out of the way and keep them off the countertop. Inside this drawer, you can see a dedicated utensil insert. This already came built in like that from the cabinetry manufacturer. This is probably my favorite trash unit. It has a side storage, two big cans, one for recycling, one for trash, and side storage for either cleaning supplies or extra trash bags. Next, hidden among cabinetry is a panel-ready dishwasher. This is the full-size unit. I will show you the smaller one later. I do not like wasted space, even in front of sink. So this is actually a low tip-out unit. Right here, again, one of the standard things in a cooking area is a pull-out where you can have your cutting boards or baking sheets. This is just a tall insert to easily store those things next to the ovens. On the other side of this beautiful 48-inch range, we have a different insert. This one's just smaller one for spices with adjustable shelves that can be removed. Another insert that is so useful in drawers is one for utensils. This one is organized a little bit differently than the one for silverware. This one has a big compartment here for the utensils. Besides that, other cool features, this is a beverage fridge completely built in with a cabinetry door, very seamless looking. And we deliberately left a taller space here so that homeowners can have a blender and their coffee station, and they just have extra backsplash space, just extra height to be able to show all of this off. Now I will show you a few features on the island. The island has a second small sink. This is like a bar or prep sink so that if somebody is working at the main sink, the party can go on right here. Besides that, we actually have a second small dishwasher. This is an 18-inch panel-ready unit, so it looks completely seamless. Other common features these days is a drawer microwave. Opens with just a click of a button. I install those units all the time in base cabinetry. Other than that, this island, it has beautiful quartzite, but if you see how big it has functional storage from the other side too. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. See you next time.